Whoa, what is this? Is this like a glitch? Oh! Oh, Jesus! Sorry! Sorry. Oh my god! That scared me! Hello? Is this your stuff? Because I'll give it to you! No, I'm not gonna give it to him. Sorry. Please, I am just as scared as you are. I am very friendly. I am just a survivor. I don't even care, dude. You can have my stuff. You can. Well, this is your stuff, technically. Ah! Oh my god! Oh, okay. That's how it is. That's how it is, right? That's how it is. Okay. Alright, motherfucker. Get up here and break my legs. Oh. Okay. Bitch! Don't ever do that to me! Sorry, my gain's really high. I'm fucked, dude. I am fucked. I am fucked. I don't know if he has a friend. I think there is a guy here. I don't know. Whatever. Better hurry up before he comes and make a splint. Fuck that, I'm out of here. Fuck you. Oh yeah, I'm gonna die here. I know it. I know it. Please highlight all of that. I don't know. I'm really picky with my highlights. Okay, there better not be a zombie over here. I'm gonna be so pissed. So mother frickin' pissed. I swear. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna crawl out of here. This is a really low pop server too, to be honest. no! Is that a glitch? Okay, I gotta do this somewhere safe. No! Oh my gosh, that scared the bejesus out of me. You're deaf. I'm sorry. I'll make sure to lower it when I'm like making the highlight. Or put a warning, who knows. Okay, how do I do this again? Alright. Love you long time, John. I'm sorry that you're deaf. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Why the fuck? My gosh. People, I question what they do every day. I don't have enough Mosin ammo though. Day, thank you for the follow. There we go. Oh my god, that was scary. That was flippin' scary, dude. Hold on, I need to sort this shit out real quick. Okay, okay. I'm still scared. I'm still scared. That was scary. That was scary. Dude, okay, isn't there a gun where I could use this stuff? Crazy. Hi, Stocks. Okay, let me get hydrated and energized. Oh my gosh. That's freaking scary. What does this take again? Blaze? The blaze? Oh, it's turning nighttime. Perfect. Am I done? Okay.